Okay, so guys, let's go on Gbpjpy. And before I go on Gbpjpy, I would love to show you a simple strategies I use to always get my trend. So this is what I use to always get the direction of the market on either the GBP or the card or any of it I use. So what I do is I go on the JPYX, that's the Japanese yen index, or you can call it, some people do call it, is the JPY basket. That's the basket that consists of all the Japanese yen currencies or pairs. So this is the basket. I'm using the Japanese yen basket. Now you can go on your trading view and search for this basket. So you get it if you search for the basket. I have this analysis on here for a while now. I made this analysis since last night. Yeah, since last night. So before I woke up, this particular zone I got a big move. I got a big push. So it seems there was some news to say. So we had some news and I got the zone before now. If I can see it here, I'll show it to you right now. So that we'll know what we are on. That's why I'm showing you this. So we'll know what we are on. Okay, so this should be part of the analysis. Yeah, this should be part of the analysis. So I'm expecting this. I saw this on the JPYX, so the head and the shoulder. I'm expecting this push to the upside, so we can get the sales from here when the market the price retests on this one. So this is the first one. We want to see the other one. I have this one already before now. Okay, it's not here right now. So I guess it's same thing. I guess it's same thing here. So when I get it, I'll add it to this view. I'll add it. Okay, seems I got it here. Okay, so this is what I was waiting for. You can see that's the JPYX, that's the Japanese basket I was saying. So this is what I was waiting for, a retest, then I buy. But what can we see here? You can see the push, no retest yet. I don't call this one retest yet. I might wait to see something like, we might see a pullback. So why I'm analyzing this, I'm not going on the GBP yet, is because whenever I know the direction of the Japanese index, that's the currency itself, I know that definitely there should be, if there should be a buy, there should be a sell on the GBP JPY or the card JPY. So we might see a push to this side before we get a new buy. If this can be possible, we'll get a buy from this one. And if that's not possible, we'll get a buy from here. So we can get a buy from here to the upside. And if we don't get the buy, from that zone, what's going to happen? We are going to break the zone. If we don't get that buy from there, so if we don't get that buy from here, if we don't get the buy from here, it's going to come to this downside, then we'll get the buy. So in any of the two, let's wait and see what we have. So we are on a buy right now. We are going on a buy right now. On the GBP JPY will be sell. Once we are buying here, we are selling on the GBP JPY. So we are buying to this particular zone, this neckline. This is the neckline. I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So this is the neckline point. We are buying to this neckline point. So once we buy to this neckline point here, then we can look now for a change of character or market structure shifts. Then we'll keep selling, to the downside. So this is what I have here. These my views. So let's go on the GBP JPY. But this we have here, all I'm going to do on the GBP JPY is to look for my entry. That's all I'm going to do there, because I know the move of this already. I don't have to concern myself with any other analysis on it. So once that is buying, the JPYX is selling, the JPY is selling. So this is the sell we got on there. We got the buy on the JPYX, that's the Japanese index. So the Japanese index, we got this buy, we got the buy there, and we got the sales for this one here. So whenever we get the buy there, remember we say we are going to get the sell here. So this is the sell for, this is the sell, and for the JPY X, that's the index, this is the buy. So once it's buying, there will be selling. That's why I usually analyze this one. Then I just go on the GBPY. I just go on the GBP JPY, and I'll just look for my entry. So here should be our entry, and if we should get any pullback, we should get a retest to this zone, pullback, like we said there on the JPYX. If we get a retest, pullback to this zone, we are going to get a new buy. And if we violate this zone, we are going to come down here before we can get a new buy to the upside. So whichever way it goes, we will be waiting to see what's going to happen. We will be waiting. So I showed you that this is a head and shoulder pattern. Let's go on the 4 hours so I can show you the head and shoulder pattern here. So this is the head and shoulder pattern. So let me take the head and shoulder to, so from here, this is the left shoulder. You can see this is the head, this is the neckline, this is the right shoulder. Then what are we waiting for? A retest before push back down. Understand what I'm saying? So this is what we have here. It's going to be a buy for now. We're going on a buy for now. So after this buy, then we can continue the sell, because the price right now is downtrending. This is a sell market, so we will not love to buy. Mostly we will not love to buy now, but we can trade the counter trend. We can trade this counter trend here up to this zone, then we can sell from that zone. So that's what we're waiting for on the JPYX. This one is the Japanese yen index, that's the basket. This is what I'm waiting to see. So we'll be selling the GBP JPY for now. We'll be selling for now. So sell to some extent here, some zone here, then we can continue buying to the upside. So that's what we have. This is all I'm here to show you. So I'll catch you in my next video, and stay safe. Peace.